What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to connect a custom domain name that you bought from Godaddy to your Hostinger website. So let's get right to it. As you know, on Hostinger you can build your own websites and you can connect custom domains from Godaddy or other domains provider or domain name providers. And to start building your website or adding a domain name for your existing website, you need to be signed in to your Hostinger account. And I'll need to go to the websites tab here from the menu at the top. And in here, I'll see all my websites that I created. Here, as you can see, there is one that I created and connected a domain name to and created it using WordPress. And these two, as you can see, the domain name or the URL is kind of weird. So it's like a random domain name provided by Hostinger in case you want to create your website for free and you don't want to pay for a custom domain name. However, you can connect domain name. As you can see, you have the option to connect a domain name to either of these sites. So I'll show you, and also you can connect your domain name to a new website. So I'll show you. The steps are like basically the same. I'll show you in both cases. So if you already created your website and you want only to connect your domain name, just simply click on Connect Domain. And here you can buy a domain name. So you have the option to buy a domain name from within Hostinger. So if you click on Select, you can enter your domain name here and search for the domain name that you want. Of course, you should search for like your business name. And however, in my case, I'll need to connect an existing domain that I purchased from Godaddy. Here you need to enter it. So you go to Godaddy, and on the homepage or on your main dashboard, you can see your domains. If you don't see them or you don't see like the products page, just simply click on your name at the top right, and then you can see here my products. You can click on it to access this page. So as you can see, I purchased the howtosimple.site domain name. I'll need to highlight it and then copy it and then paste it right here. Okay, then click on continue. And here they'll tell you that you need to enter these name servers. So they did already find out that your existing name servers on the Godaddy domains are these values, and you need to change them to these values right here. So to do so, just go back to your Godaddy page. Here you'll need to go to your click on manage next to your domain. It'll open up the domain dashboard, and from here just click here on domain, and then next to your domain name just click on manage DNS. Or if you're on the product page, let's go back to the products page here. And then if you click on DNS, that's next to manage, you'll basically get to the same page that you can where you can edit your DNS or name server. So here in the case of Hostinger, we'll need to edit the name servers. So in the DNS management, go here and select name servers. And you have these two name servers that are added here. You'll need to change them. Click on edit name servers. So here, as you can see, they are not like the recommended default name servers provided by Godaddy, because I already was attempting to connect this domain name to another website on another platform. However, the process will be the same. It will not matter. Let's go and copy these values right here. So let's copy the name server 1 or NS1 value. Make sure you select it all, copy it, and then paste it instead of this value in the first placeholder here. And then copy the next value. Sorry, let's highlight and copy the next value, and make sure you copy it all, and then paste it here. Highlight all the value and then paste it, and then click on save. Okay, and make sure that they tell you that you consent to updating the name servers to the selected domain. Okay, continue. And now the name servers are successfully being updated. It's not fully updated because it's in progress. You need to know that it might take up to 48 hours to fully connect your domain names to your Hostinger website. And you need here to click on continue on Hostinger. And now here you're almost done. Now, as I told you, it might take, they say it might take up to 24 hours. So in rare cases, it might take a bit longer. However, in most cases, it takes even less than that. Now, let's go back. And here you can see now, instead of this like random domain that is generated, it now says howtosample.site. It changed the domain to my custom domain that I purchased on GoDaddy. Now, if you don't already have a website and you need to create a new website, just simply click here on add website. You can choose between WordPress and Hostinger website builder. The Hostinger website builder is the one that allows you to, or gives you the option to create or generate like a random free domain name. However, if you want to use WordPress, you need to add a custom domain name. So that's one thing to notice. Like you can choose the website builder that you want. Of course, WordPress is the most difficult option. However, it gives you like lots of functionality over the Hostinger website builder, which is not bad. However, if you want more functionality and more power to be able to control everything on your website, you should choose WordPress. However, for beginners, I do recommend the Hostinger website builder, and that's the one that I will go through this right now. So click on the Hostinger website builder. And now it's redirecting me to the website builder. Okay, the builder prepared. Okay, you can create your website with AI, or you can use a pre-made template. So I'll click pre-made template. You can browse templates through like categories. For this video, let's choose any like template. You can preview it or select it to edit it. So here I'll click on select template. Now the template is loaded in the editor. It's a pretty basic like drag and drop based editor. You can move things around. You can edit titles. You can edit the font, the style, the size, and anything. You can edit photos. You can also add elements such as text, video, buttons, gallery, images, and so on. And you can view the pages. So I won't go like in depth in the editing the website itself. However, I'm just going to focus on adding the domain name. As you can see here at the top, you have like your random like domain name here generated. Here, if you already have a domain name like on GoDaddy or any other domain name provider, you need to click on this domain name and then click on connect your domain. It'll save up your changes and it'll redirect you to the connecting your domain page. And here is the same page that we saw earlier. Here you have the option to buy a domain or use an existing domain, and you'll go basically through the same step that I showcased like earlier in this video. So that's it. That's how easy it is to connect your GoDaddy domain name to your Hostinger website.